Cool Stuff with Nate. Today we're going to be making ninja stars with just some sticky notes. So I have more than 8. All you need is 8 sticky notes and then you can make it. So I'm going to show you how to make it. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how to start out making it. So you're going to want to take a sticky note and then you're going to start out by folding it like this. Try to get it as good as you can. That one was kind of bad, so it's okay if you make a little mistake, but try not to make it really bad. So then you're gonna do the same thing right here, and then you're gonna unfold it. So you should have an X right there. Then you're gonna put sticky side up, like this, and you're gonna fold it over, and then take it back, and then you're gonna fold it down like a paper airplane. So right now you're starting to feel like a paper airplane, but don't get off like all paper airplane stuff. So then you're gonna fold it like this, and then you're gonna push this flap down and fold this in, and then you're gonna make 7 more of these. Okay, so now that we have all 8 of these, it's time to start putting them together. Okay, so you're gonna take 2, make sure that it's like this end, so the paper airplane part is right here. This is the end of it, so it's like this little indent. Then you're gonna put this right here. There should be 2 flaps here. Fold them in so that they're as big as you can make them, because the bigger the flaps, the stronger it's gonna be when it's done. And so I just made that flap, and so now I'm gonna do it with this. But measure out the flaps so that's a perfect size. And then when you're done measuring them out, you're gonna push them in just like that, and then keep it like this. Okay, so now that we're at the last few steps, that gets a little more tricky. So you'll want to put this right here, and then this right here for this, but you'll still do the flap thing. And so for this one, it's only different because you put this right here, and then you put the flaps in like this. So that's second to last step. Okay, so now we're at the last step, so this is really hard, so pay close attention. So you'll put this in like this, but on the very edge, and so that you'll want to get it like this, but then do this the same, so that's like this, and then do the flap trick again, like every time. Remember, flaps you want as long as they can go, because that'll work the best. And on the last step, there will actually be 2 flaps, because right here, there are going to be more flaps since it's the last step to connect the whole thing together. And so, put the flaps in. If your flaps are too small, it will still work, but it may come apart more easily, so try to make them bigger, but if you made them a little too small, that's fine. It'll still work. So that's the last step. Okay, so now it's done. So you find this little thing, you're like, I did all that for just this, but the cool part is this. It turns into a ninja star. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you want to check out my channel, it's right here. If you want to check out my friend's channel, Cool Stuff with James, right here. My friend's channel, T-Rose, right here, and my latest videos right here. Thanks for watching. See you next video.